How to bulk delete all TikTok videos. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to go to any browser of your choice. Now you are going to head over to the search bar and type in delete all my videos. Now this is me just scrolling down and searching for the website. Now I didn't find it on the first page, so I decided to click on page 2. So you might not find just on the first page, but it will be on page 2. Now I scrolled down on my page 2 and I finally found the website. It says delete all TikTok videos at once. This is what you are looking for and you want to tap on it. Now on getting here, you want to scroll down to the bottom of your screen until you see add to Chrome. Now let me mention that this is an extension and that's why we are adding it to Chrome. Now go back to the right hand side of your screen and tap on add to Chrome to add this extension. Now as you can see, it's seeking for permission, so I'm going to go ahead to still tap on add extension. Now after downloading, we're going to go over to the extension icon and then we're going to be searching for the extension we just added right now, and then we're going to open TikTok. Now this is what it should be looking like. I should go ahead with the deleting, but the account that is currently logged into is not the one I want to delete my videos on, so I'm just going to log out and log back in with the account that I want to be deleting my videos on. After logging into the account I want to delete the videos from, now over here at your screen you see from and to. Now what it simply means is that what is the date range you want your videos deleted from and where you want it to end. Now the from is the beginning of the deletion, from when, and then when you want it to end is the to. So go ahead and edit the years and also edit the month that you like the deleting to start and end from. When you are done, you want to click on start. Now because this cannot be reversed, they want to make sure you know what you are doing, and if you agree, you just want to tap on agreed. Now you would notice I'm not clicking anything on its own. It is deleting the videos that fall between this range, and this is what it should be looking like when it's done. It tells you how many videos was deleted. You want to click on done, and as you can see, the profile that had so many videos don't even have one again. And this is exactly how to bulk delete all TikTok videos. And if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.